Welcome back traders to our new video. In this video I will explain you all the trades we took today on our channels. So to join our channels you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin with our video. Here you can just check out our first signal was for Cisco OTC for the put side 5 minutes. You can set your timers to 5 minutes flag time. So here you can just check out how good it was. Yeah, so in this trade the price tapped into a strong resistance level and the chart formed a continuity pattern showing that sellers were in control and the market wanted to continue to the downward side. Resistance was there plus continuation was there. This was a clean setup for us to sell this trade. We just sell this trade and we won it like this. Amazing win. You can just check out. The next signal was for Microsoft OTC for the put side. Here, it was also a very good win. In this, price again pushed into a well-defined resistance zone. Here it is marked. So there was no breakout, no momentum. So there was just a rejection from a level. So we respected the structure and took the sell side from right here. And it worked. Amazing win. The next signal was for Microsoft OTC for the put side. Here you can just check out. This was also a very good win. Yeah, so in this trade, the price returned to the same resistance level. But this time, we even got a stronger confirmation. The previous candle turned bearish and engulfed the green candle, clearly showing that sellers were in dominance. Resistance was there, plus bearish candle was there, plus engulfing pattern was there. So it was a very high confidence sell setup and the market followed the structure and we won this trade. Amazing win right there. These are the trades. Reminds us of one simple truth. When resistance holds and candle psychology confirms the pressure, OTC becomes more predictive and logical. Trade the level, trade the structure. That's all for the video. See you in the next breakdown. Amazing win right there. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.